Hi everyone. I'm going to demonstrate a tool in Blackboard called blackboardCollab Ultra. Now this is used to deliver lectures, and we're going to be using this tool during regular class time to hear and to deliver lectures. Okay, right now I'm in Blackboard and student preview mode is on, so this is how a student would view Blackboard. I'm in my Math 14 class, and previously I opened a session of blackboardCollab Ultra. So right now I'm going to go to Tools, or a student would go to Tools and click on blackboardCollab Ultra if they wanted to join this session. So here, this is Course Room. Just click on Course Room and then join Course Room. Now there's also a dial-in available right here. You can use dial-in if the audio on your computer isn't working properly, then you can dial in with your phone to hear the lecture. But if you can see and if the audio is working well, you really don't need the dial-in. So just click on Join Classroom. And here's what the classroom looks like. I have already opened up a file related to the lesson. I'm going to expand it a little bit. And during the lesson, I'll be annotating this file. Okay, I'll probably have one that leaves a little bit more room for writing, but we'll have room to start the lesson and to write out information and to solve problems as well. So let's say if we solve number 1, we could factor out x squared to solve this. Okay, and then here we would factor this further. So basically this is the tool that we would use to deliver, this is the tool that we're using to deliver lectures. Now look at this bottom tab over here on the bottom right. There's a little purple tab. If we click on that, and let's click on those two people with the number 2, that shows who's in the class. So right now I'm the moderator, and in student view I'm the participant as well. So normally my name should be here and all the students should be here. Now if you have a question, all right, let me go into student view right here. This is oh, sorry, that's instructor view. This one is student view. Right here I could raise my hand, you see, and then I would see that this student is raising their hand. So I would keep this on, and if this student is raising their hand, then what we could do is we could communicate through the chat. See this little bubble over here? If I click on that, all right, then you could ask your question on number 1, let's say. Okay, so the instructor here, as the instructor, that's this view, I would see that question on number 1, I would see that question, and maybe I would answer, would you like me to repeat the solution or something like that? Okay, and in that way we could communicate, and then I would let's say I would answer your question in that way. I would like everybody during the sessions to keep your mic off. You see, here's the mic. I'd like you to keep your mic off. Maybe later on we'll be talking about office hours. That'll be something else. And then maybe you could talk at that point. But during the lecture, I'd like you to keep your mic off. Otherwise, we're going to hear the noise from everybody's houses. All the surrounding noise will be heard by everybody. So it's really best to keep the mics off. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So I'll be sending out an email about when we'll have a practice session, which will be this week. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.